Hey, music friend, awesome to have you here. This is a special one. It's a Norwegian song. Why in the world a Norwegian song? Well, I was searching for hashtag acapella covers, I believe it was, and I saw this video of Maria singing a song, actually this song, just all by herself in a gym up in Norway. Now the song is from Vamp. It's a Norwegian band, and it's called Noir. And it's just a classic. Obviously, everybody in Norway knows the song. So I'll try my luck with this. And I'm going to have Maria singing. So thank you, Maria, for singing. Thanks for trusting me and for joining the session. It's really cool. From now on, I'll have Norwegian connections. How cool is that? So to all of you musicians, when I start playing these songs, I don't know how I'm going to build it exactly. So I play the piano and then I build story. So if you're in a band and you are also trying to make a song sound good, sound interesting, just make sure you check out the little workshop I did to address exactly that thing. I have 5 steps that I do to just make a song sound interesting and make a band sound great. So it's free and it's made with you in mind. So make sure you check that out. All right, here we go. Let's give it a shot. Clicks rolling. 1, 2, 3.
I det grønne